Well, today we're going to be putting an alternator. This is 2007 BMW 750 Li. Looks like fun. First step we're going to do, take the breather boxes out. You got to take the whole intake here off. It's got 4 T25 Torx bits. Loosen the clamps. Loosen this clamp. Take the mass airflow sensor off. Then we're going to take the cover off. I think they're 10 millimeters, 4 of them. Alright, got the breather out. Got the cover off. Cover from the mass airflow sensor. Next, we're going to take the radiator support out and get the electric fan out. And looks like it's going to be some Torx bits here to get the support out. Once you get the support out, it's aluminum, it just pulls right out. There's plastic cover that goes over the fan shroud. Torx bit right there in the middle, another one on this side. Take those out, and then I'm hoping this comes right out. Another one there. Another one there. So that is the power steering cord. Here's. I'm just gonna lay it off the side here and hope for the best. Oh well. Next, hoping this fan will just come right off. We'll see. Fan will slide right out. Not right out. Side over here is there's a little piece of plastic there that goes in that latch. It does not move. However, this one you can fold. You just got to work it through the lines, and then it'll slide right out. When pulling the fan out, you got to be careful. The transmission oil cooler is right here, and it has this plastic thermostat on it right here. Well, I broke a line off of mine, so once we get the alternator done, I guess we will be trying to find one of those to put on. So, anyways, be careful. But once you get the fan out, we will take the belt off, and the pulley is right there. I believe it's T50 or T55. Then we'll move it, slide the belt off, hopefully get this alternator off. Let's see. Alright. It's a T50. Well. Anyways. Just move the pulley, belt gets loose, slide it right off the alternator there. Ka-chow! Alrighty. So, before we go loosening and getting the alternator out, there is a small idler pulley down here on the bottom of it. It's mounted on it. There's a plastic cap on it right here. Behind that cap is a Torx bolt. We're gonna get the cap off with a flathead, and then get that bolt out, and then we will see about getting the bolts out of the alternator. Well, it does look like whoever put the alternator on last stripped the Torx bolt for this idler here. So I'm going to try to leave it on and take it off once I get the alternator out. But that's bolt number 1, bolt number 2. I believe that's all there is. Here's the new one. Top bolt, side bolt, and then either will go there. So, see if we can get them out. I'm just going with a standard 3/8 ratchet and deep 16 millimeter socket. So I broke it loose. It was not the tightest in the world, but it is loose now. Second one is loose. Now we'll use the old electric ratchet. Get them bad boys out. Just gonna put a 3-inch extension on a flat socket. Let's see what we get here. One. Don't think this thing's gonna drop once this one comes out. Always be mindful of your radiator. Yeah, there we go. Chow. Short goes on the top, long goes on the side. Let's see if we can work this thing out. I'll have to take the power out. I think the power's a 13 millimeter. We'll find out. I think it would be smart to put a piece of cardboard or something right here to protect the radiator while you try to get this out. But I looked and I don't have a piece, so. Alrighty, it's out. So I wiggled it out. Came out fairly easy. The cables, power cable and stuff, was long enough that I could get it up where I could just hold it kind of up here out of the way and then loosen them up. There's a plastic connector is in there. It's just a push tab, push it, pull it out. 13 millimeter. So now see if we can't get this bolt out. Well, got the pulley off. Had to use a vise, but got it off. Got it on. So now we'll go try to get it back in here. Let's say, so these transmission cooler lines, I went ahead and took it off, getting the alternator out. All I had to do is take a pick, and it's got these little tabs right here, the metal tabs. Just put a pick in it, pull it out, it'll slide right off the cooler. But the only reason I went ahead and did it, I felt comfortable doing it, was because I'm gonna have to replace it since I broke it. And I don't know, if I didn't break it, I probably wouldn't have done that, because it's just a chance of something else to start leaking, going bad. But it did help. So let's try to get the new one in. Alrighty. Went ahead and took the pulley back off just so I had room. I was afraid I was gonna hit the radiator. But got it in there. Got the side bolt started. Just gotta lift it up, put this on. But I went ahead and put the electrical connectors back on with it sitting up here, since I'm by myself, don't have anybody to hold anything. So see if we can't get it bolted in and see what happens here. I got the thermostat put back in, brand new one there. Next, we're going to put the fan back in. See how it goes. Fan's in, plug back up, clips are back in, and I just got to hook up the thermostat. With the thermostat hooked back up, I got to put the power steering cooler back on. Slide right in. Put the bolts back in.